Hello, 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 and welcome back to the last bonus. This one will be about email marketing. Now, remember, we're talking about the context. The context here is awareness levels and sophistication levels. Okay. Now, let's talk about sophistication levels first, and then I'll explain to you why I'm showing you this one email. Okay. Now, you might be saying to yourself, you know what, George, maybe I can write like you, or maybe blah, 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 whatever. This is not the point here. And you don't necessarily have to be a great writer, be a great storyteller. That would help with the email marketing, yes? But forget about that for a second. Let's focus on what's at hand, okay? Sophistication and awareness levels, yes? Now, look, um, sophistication levels don't actually really matter when it comes to email marketing. The reason is, if you remember, we went through the sophistication levels, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we said on level 5, we don't want to compete, right? And when I say that, and I give you a hint in the course, I told you I will tell you what to do with sophistication level 5. So here's what to do with sophistication level 5. Let's say that you are competing with copywriting inside your selling copywriting course. Let's just imagine, okay? You have crazy big competitors. I'm not gonna name any. You probably know them. Some with millions of followers on social media, great reputation, whatnot. If you go and directly start, let's imagine that copywriting is at level 5. Okay, let's just imagine. Be with me for a second, just for an easy example. If you were to directly compete with them and sell a copywriting course, let's say on Facebook ads to cold traffic, you would probably fail. Again, if the sophistication level of the market is at the level 5. So what do? What you do is you extract a piece out of your product. So let's say it's copywriting, right? Copywriting has a lot of subcategories to it, and each subcategory has a ton of other subcategories. So let me give you an example. Copywriting consists of how to get clients, writing, editing, research, blah, blah, blah. It consists of many different elements, hooks, leads, whatever, okay? How to write, whatever, right? You can pull out one piece, let's say market research. And then once you pull out that piece, you're no longer competing in level 5 because now you're teaching how to do market research. So you're at a level 3 or 4 already. If you want, you can even extract one more piece out of that. Or in other words, connect a mechanism to it. So instead of market research, you will be selling how to do market research using AI, for example, using ChatGPT or anything else. You get what I'm saying? A person buys and then they get onto your email list. And then sophistication levels no longer play a big role in that because now you are the market. You create some kind of connection with them. You build trust. They're buying you, not your product anymore. I hope that makes sense. So sophistication levels are not a big part of email marketing, but awareness levels are a huge part of email marketing. Now, I hope you're not reading this while I'm speaking, okay? I'm actually, you know what? Let's do this. I'm going to give you a chance in a second to read through this whole email, but stay with me for 1 second before you do. Hopefully you didn't already. Awareness levels do play a big part in email marketing. And let's talk about two different parts of email marketing that we could potentially do, okay? Two different business models, okay? One business model is what you see a lot of the big copywriters doing, the smart ones, right? Which is they send an email every day or a lot, okay? And then you buy at the end. They put a link pretty much in all the emails at the end, okay? If you notice how they're doing that, you will see that they go usually like 99% of the time, 90% of the time, they go from unaware in the email headline, subject line, and how the email starts. It starts from unaware or problem aware, but it usually will be unaware. And through the email, through the writing, they'll take you from unaware to problem aware to solution aware, buy my stuff.